Risotto alla Milanese, famous for its creaminess and its intense yellow color. Let's prepare it together. Extract the marrow from beef bones using a knife and spoon. Chop a not too big onion. Saute it in a pan with butter. Add the marrow, and when melted, add the rice. While the rice is toasting, put a ladle of broth in a bowl and dissolve half a sachet of saffron powder. Cook adding broth. About 5 minutes before the end of cooking, add the saffron. Continue cooking, adding some broth whenever the risotto becomes too dry. When the risotto is cooked, stir fry with butter and grana padano cheese. Plate and garnish with saffron pistils. Enjoy your meal, and keep cooking with Cookaround.